Just came from running 8K, trying to compete with our lead runner, and everything hurts. So I'll first start off with saying that if you are a guy that exercises, do not waste your efforts and date a girl that doesn't even jog or walk. And understand that the watchtowers describe it as a pulling yoke. You do not put a bull and a mule and a goat and say they must pull together in an agricultural field. So people underestimate the influence that money has had in the world. Money has even poisoned the church. When you had money, you were considered as an outsider to the church because of Christianity is based on the poor. It's a poor people's religion. Jesus goes and heals the poor and makes himself available. But let's stay on topic. There's a saying in South Africa that msadi o tla robala le tshwenye zolala nemfene if inemali, you know. If you have money in South Africa, a woman will sleep with you even if you were a monkey. So it's the society that we live in. I understand. Kanye West said a broke nigga should date a fat bitch. But now even the fat bitches have attitude. They want you to show them that they are pretty enough. I asked the question that at which point do women pay for everything? So people now will understand where I'm coming from. Because of if you are looking for a guy that's spinning keys and dressed to the nines just to run into you, then you miss the opportunity of meeting a guy like me, even if I'm dressed to the nines. Because of I can't keep up, can't pay 2,000 rand for your dinner or your supper. I understand, and I'm not ashamed. I love who I am, and maybe the problem is a little bit too much. But now I feel that if we could fix our relationships, we would fix our homes. And I understand. And next to bringing down the government, Mina, the first thing I would mostly like to achieve is to stop rape. Imagine if we were a country without rape. If you go to South Africa, you might lose your life, but don't worry, your vagina is very safe. Who would we be? I understand that if we could just enjoy 120 kilometers economic speed, and everything I believe goes back to our relationships because if we dig up gold and diamonds to put them on your finger. I understand. I asked the question in one of my YouTube videos that if you paid for everything, who would know unless you told them? Or someone until. So do you get the point where I'm coming from? Today was a Jola Zulu Mkaba because of you think that he has money. I pray to God that, dear God, please give me the power to bring down every rich person's wealth on top of them. Sibe ne-confidence yokubatshela ukuthi wena songcwaba imali yakho phezu kwakho asifune yakho. We don't want your money. Your money is poison. We are not the woman that will bend over for you because of you have a Maserati or just bought the biggest Benz. You know, can more people, the vulnerability that's required just to be honest, can more people challenge society? Talk to that fat guy that bought the biggest Benz that goes over deserts. But it's like people that drive a wild tracker but don't go through rivers. That's your country.